You can't walk, you're too drunk.
Listen,
you cannot
I can walk!
Toxic relationships can easily turn deadly. One may never know when someone's life may be threatened by their better half.
Alright, listen to me, okay?
I just want a divorce.
Okay.
These 4 videos include intoxicated women physically and mentally abusing their partners. Here are some incidents where the police had to figure out the chain of events and put the correct partner's safety.
He did not call the police.
I'm frustrated.
Okay?
I'm super frustrated.
The first incident revolves around a woman named Candace. On August 5, 2023, law enforcement in Ohio responded to a call from concerned residents who reported witnessing a verbal altercation between a man and a woman, causing a disturbance on the street near the neighborhood. The caller suggested that the woman involved might be inebriated. Let's look into the matter. Why did the man stop the woman from driving?
Ma'am? Okay, what's going on?
Who knows?
What do you mean, who knows? What happened today?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Okay, whose vehicle is this? Who is that?
His.
Who is that?
My husband.
Okay, so was there pushing and shoving?
No.
Okay, so you started driving, you realized you were too drunk to drive, so you pulled over, called him to come get you?
Not at all.
Okay, what happened?
At this point, I don't want to converse about what happened.
Okay, well, we were called here for a situation.
By whom?
I have no idea. I didn't take the call.
Guess what? I am not a part of that conversation.
Excuse me?
Where I'm at is I was a passenger.
I understand. I'm not trying
The
to pop you
driver
for
is the husband of mine.
Okay, but there's also 2 vehicles here, which means that you drove one of these vehicles here.
Acting on this information, officers arrived at the scene and endeavored to de-escalate the situation. The law enforcement officer conversed with the man, identified as the woman's spouse, who provided an account of the disagreement. The woman displayed evident signs of significant intoxication. At first, she even refused to communicate with the officers.
Okay. So, my question in the call was, what party were you at?
You clearly saw me in the passenger side of this vehicle.
Right, how did you get here?
Passenger side of this vehicle.
So you transported?
I am a passenger of this vehicle.
I understand that currently.
So where you're asking, where did I come from?
Yes.
Where am I going to? I'm a passenger of this vehicle.
Okay.
So what are you asking me?
Here? How did you get here on Coit Road?
As a passenger of this vehicle.
How did you get to Coit Road?
As a passenger of this vehicle.
Okay. I copy, thank you. Okay, so the call that we got was that there was some arguing, possibly some pushing and shoving.
No, there wasn't. I mean, she was running away from me because she didn't want. She wanted to drive.
She's so intoxicated. She's obliterated, man. Can't even have a conversation with her right now.
And that's why
I'm like, good gravy, lady. Just sit down, because I can't talk to you right now.
And that's why I took the key.
Good call. No,
I
that's
said,
absolutely.
I'm taking the key.
Yeah.
I knew eventually you guys would be here.
Yeah.
I called my dad, said, look, these people are they're looking out their window.
Oh,
I'm fine with that. I don't care.
Oh, absolutely. No,
I
you were
just
doing,
said,
you were
look,
trying
I'm
to keep
going
her
to wait.
safe. Yeah.
I called my dad to come drive the vehicle back.
Yeah.
I was going to put her in my car.
Yeah.
Her mom didn't answer. I called her mom first, because
Right.
that would probably be her preference.
Okay.
So her mom didn't answer. My dad came, but now her mom answered, called me back, and now she's on her way.
Right.
And they live close by, so.
That's fine.
I'm fine.
That's fine. I don't know. Is she like an attorney or something?
No, she's a director of operations for a company.
Later, she told the officers, recounting her attendance at a yacht party earlier that evening. She also revealed she wasn't driving. Her husband was driving the vehicle. Her demeanor became increasingly agitated during the interaction with law enforcement. The husband revealed the real story behind the drama and how he came to pick her up.
I'm taking the key then.
Right.
I'm not letting you drive. So
Okay.
I got both keys waiting on her mom.
All right. Well, again, I don't have any issues or problems with that whatsoever. Like I said, we got the call that there may have been some pushing and shoving and that vehicles, turn the lights
she
up,
was
that
trying
kind
to
of
get the
stuff,
key back from me. That's about to the extent of it, but...
Okay.
I can't
Please.
tell you how frustrated I am.
I know. We're just waiting on your mom to get here. That's all we're waiting on.
At this point,
That's
it
it.
shouldn't even get to that point. You know why? Because if it's my mom and it's his freaking vehicle, he can drive his car home. Literally less than 5 minutes from this space that we're in.
You're not 5 minutes from home, okay?
Okay, fine. 10.
Take a breath.
I'm not.
He did not call the
I'm
police,
frustrated.
okay?
I'm super frustrated.
Okay, and I understand that. But what are you frustrated about? The fact that we're still waiting? The fact that you haven't gone home yet?
Why are we here is why I'm frustrated.
Because the neighbors...
This is a vehicle, that is a vehicle, and he's here to drive this car back to the house.
with you in it.
The husband, taking preventive measures, confiscated his wife's keys and reached out to his in-laws, requesting that they transport his wife's vehicle home to prevent her from driving while under the influence. Subsequently, her parents arrived, intending to take her home, but her belligerent behavior persisted on the street.
Why are you yelling?
I'm frustrated.
I understand.
You know that.
Right, you're frustrated because you want to go home. Yes. Unless you keep acting like this, then
Can he drive this car, this vehicle home, where I can go home?
Yes. Yes.
Neighbors called.
Yes.
Before I even left.
No, not before you left.
Man, quit
Newport
playing
Harbor.
with me.
Candace, get over here. You cannot walk away.
I'm gonna say this one time.
Candace.
I'm gonna say this one time.
Can we talk about this?
I'm over it.
Ma'am,
I already talked to her.
Ma'am.
Listen,
Can I-
if I'm gonna talk to her, and I'm gonna tell her the same damn story,
can I try?
I would appreciate it.
Okay, let's talk about it. What's going on?
I'm clearly upset.
Why are you so upset?
I was invited.
Okay.
If someone has a problem with me being invited,
Invited to a yacht party? Is that what it was?
it wasn't even a party.
What was it?
Guess what? I'll never come down here again.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah, and I'm sure you're fine with it because I'll never come down here again.
Okay.
You wouldn't even want me to come down here again.
Okay. Watch out. Watch for this car.
I'm okay.
Watch
I'm
out for
okay.
this car.
If I get hit by a car, I'm okay with it because guess what? I'm in better hands.
Candace kept yelling and screaming. She didn't understand why everyone was there to stop her, complained that it ruined her Friday night.
I ain't gonna. And guess what? I'm not gonna deal with him either. And guess what? I'm not dealing with it.
Calm down, baby.
Guess what? He is not, and she is not, going to stop me and upset.
Okay,
And
I
I
know
do
you
not
are.
want you
I
to
know
feel that
you
way,
are.
and you don't give a anyway. And this is burning my hands. But guess what?
Okay.
I appreciate your help.
I got you some coffee. I
Listen,
put honey
girl.
in it too.
Guys, come on, guys.
Let me take you home.
Okay, we're gonna back off
Yeah,
a little
sounds
bit.
good. Thanks.
Okay, let us know if you guys need anything. Candace, go with them, honey. Go with them.
Listen,
okay?
I appreciate your help.
No, I know. We gotta lower our
I
voices.
do not. I want to say
No,
thank you.
Candace, I want you this way. Come on. I want you to go
Well,
this way.
I want you
Here,
to.
okay, come on,
I
come on.
mean, much like they were telling me to
Come on,
stop
come on,
touching
Candace, come on,
you,
come on.
I want
We're
you to
fine.
know that you
Which car
can't
do you
touch
want?
me.
Which one do you want?
Bunjan, take her in there. You
wanna
want
go
to take her,
next
or
door?
you want me to drive, or
Who's
guys?
I'll take
Listen,
I'll take
I
your
appreciate it,
curb you.
but
He's fine. He's gotta leave.
you
He's gotta
gotta,
leave.
you gotta understand.
I know.
Could you assign a report number for my arrest?
I walk.
You can't walk. You're too drunk.
Listen,
You cannot
I can walk.
You cannot
There- I am
walk.
not
It's
doing
not
anybody
safe.
any injustice
It's
if
not.
I walk.
You are. You are not allowed to walk. You're
Candace,
about
let's
to go
go.
into
Let's go.
handcuffs.
Let's
Do
go.
not do that.
Touch
Come
me.
on.
Let's go.
Don't put your hands on him. Do not do that. I'm
Don't
telling
put
you.
your hands
you
on
don't
me.
want- You
Don't put your hands on me.
Want to
I'm 67 years old. I've never been
Jevin!
in my life. You better not touch your mama.
I won't touch her.
Yeah,
Ever.
You better not.
I won't.
You better not.
Ever.
You better not.
That's one thing I will never do.
Okay, well then get in the car and go home and see your son.
Jesus.
Getting all upset like this. All right, take her home, girl.
You can't.
I don't care what you say.
You cannot.
I don't.
Candace,
Don't touch me.
that's domestic
Don't touch
violence.
me.
You cannot hit him. Now you
Don't touch me.
The woman began intermittently exiting and re-entering her parents' vehicle. While vociferating and walking along the road, despite the officers and her parents' collective efforts, they could not calm her down. She eventually walked toward her husband, physically assaulting him and striking one of the officers in the process.
Now situations have changed.
Okay.
I don't care.
You get oh, boy, you better care. Okay, put her in jail, y'all. Put her in jail.
No.
Okay, well,
Guess what?
No. Candace, what the hell is wrong with you?
Yeah.
You? Me? Where's your phone?
your husband did everything to protect you tonight.
I don't care.
This is mad.
Okay, all right. So you shouldn't have even been involved. Get off my arm.
Nope, you're under arrest.
Fine, that's fine.
Sit up. Sit
Get
up.
off my arms.
Sit up. You can't get out. You can't get out, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney and have him or her present with you before any questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost, okay? You can at any point exercise these rights, not make any statements, and not answer any questions. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you?
I understand the Miranda rights.
Perfect, okay? You have to stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle.
Candace was arrested, and everyone who came to pick her up waited for her release in the police department lobby. She was charged with disorderly conduct and was ordered to pay a $75 fine and $105 in court fees. While Candace's toxic behavior was brought to light by the residents of the neighborhood, our next individual's true nature was revealed by her own spouse.
You want me to do one of those things?
43 to 7. You want to be 51?
The next incident revolves around a woman. On January 18th, 2023, law enforcement was dispatched to address a domestic upheaval involving a marital dispute. The officers engaged with the husband, who recounted an altercation with his wife.
She drank too much. I went to bed.
Okay.
I tried to. I even moved to another room.
Okay.
She started screaming, yelling. I'm thoroughly embarrassed that you're here.
Happens, man.
Yeah. She got angry and started ripping my hair out.
What's she getting angry about?
She's just swearing abuses at me, calling all sorts of stuff like that.
Well, what started it? Obviously, something draws.
I wouldn't pay attention to her.
Okay.
I tried to leave the situation, just go to sleep. I had 4 hours of sleep last night. I just wanted to get up and go to work. That's really all.
I gotcha. All right. What'd she do? Grab your hair? I saw that in the call.
She punched me. She grabbed my hair.
Where'd she punch you at?
In my face.
Okay.
I don't think she.
Closed hand, open hand.
I'm pretty sure it was closed hand. It's not.
Okay.
It's not the first time, but it's been a long time.
Can you point to where on your face she hit you?
I think right here. I hope there's nothing there. I don't want to see that. I don't want other people to see that tomorrow.
I get that. And then she pulled your hair?
Yeah, a lot of hair came out.
Okay.
I started videotaping at some point because I didn't know what else to do.
When she pulled your hair, was it on that side?
Everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
According to him, the conflict escalated due to her intoxication, leading to her physically assaulting him. He detailed how, as he attempted to retire for the night, his wife threw a drink at him, striking him repeatedly and pulling his hair. The husband also explained to him why his wife did this.
You said Suzanne? Suzanne, police department. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Could you make yourself presentable? We need to talk to you. Okay, you're Suzanne, correct?
Yes.
Is this the towel you're looking for?
It's not there.
Okay, it's not important at the moment. So what happened?
I don't know exactly. He set her up 2 weeks.
So what happened? I think you know why we're here. I need to get your side of what happened.
Well, he said it like an hour ago.
Just too much drinking. I bought a bottle of whiskey. She's had an earache. She asked for some whiskey. I got some whiskey. She drank too much, and she just kind of, she was upset that I wanted to go to bed, and I wouldn't communicate with her. I started to go to bed in here. She turned on the TV, turned it up. I'm like, I went into the other bedroom, I laid down, she busted the door open, came in, and then just wouldn't leave me alone. So, I got up, and then she started hitting me.
Upon approaching the suspect, who was found in an inebriated state in the bathroom and also crying, officers endeavored to inquire about the incident. However, the suspect provided inconsistent responses, adding complexity to the situation.
Okay. I need you to fill out what's called a general statement about what happened here tonight. Would you like to fill that out? You're not obligated to fill it out. I'm just giving you the opportunity to put your side of the story on paper. Yes? No?
Yes.
Okay. It's here. As soon as you get your shirt on, we'll get this filled out, and then we'll go from there. Okay? It's just right here if you want to have a seat and fill it out. It's just a general statement, like I said, about what occurred this evening.
Yeah, a bunch of it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there's a bunch right here, too.
Yeah, okay.
I'm in.
I'm going to take her to see if she can get her cleared first. She is
every 4 hours.
Toozy.
Yeah. She's saying she has a double ear infection, too.
Yeah, so I'll just take
I've been on.
No, just stay there. No, just stay there.
No, you showed me the Sudafed and all that good stuff. I saw it. I just need you to fill that out so we can get moving here.
So we know what's going on. We need your side of the story. You're going to be going to jail tonight, okay? Yeah.
That's what's happening, and it's better for your property if it doesn't get logged into the jail because you'll know where it is. Do you need your glasses to see, or are they reading glasses?
They're for reading. Well, they are for reading. I can't see all the time without them.
Okay. Do you need them to go to the jail with you?
Yeah.
Don't.
You're a
Hey! Don't
touch me like that. Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's what you want?
Yeah, you want to start rushing and
really?
us and pushing us. Yep, that's how it's going to work. That's
Really?
Stop!
I'm not doing anything.
You're pulling away.
Nothing.
He's been nothing but nice.
Nothing? Really?
Yep, you're going
I
there.
haven't done anything.
Well, now you have another charge. Stop pushing.
The woman was upset because he wanted to go to bed early and became agitated. Despite not answering the questions, she started telling little bits of what happened when he gave her the statement form. The confrontation escalated when officers attempted her arrest.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
43, good. They dropped an RTR for spray and takedown. You want me to do one? 43 to 7. You want to be 51? Yeah, we'll do one for transporter.
Okay, take a seat. Turn towards my voice. Turn towards my voice.
I got a bottle of water.
Hang on.
I don't
Stand up. Sit down on your butt. We're gonna get you some water.
Do you have a bottle of water in your car? Mine are in mine.
43 to 7.
Okay, we're gonna get you a bottle of water. We tried to be cooperative. We tried to be helpful.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's a little late for sorry.
43 to Cook Beach.
Defying compliance, she stood up to confront the officers and resisted throughout the arrest process. The suspect's resistance endured, necessitating her placement in a patrol vehicle for transportation to a nearby hospital for medical evaluation.
That's what I'm doing, miss.
Please don't.
Look up at me again, okay?
I can't.
Till your head straight back. Straight back. Open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. Keep blinking.
Please. I can't.
All right.
One more time. Let's go. Tilt your head back. Tilt your head back. Open up your eyes. Open up your eyes.
No, but
all right.
should be all right.
Well, we're gonna give you a ride up to the hospital, okay?
I can't see anything.
We'll help you get up.
We'll help you.
There we go.
Okay,
Take
turn around.
2 steps back.
There you go. Nope. Watch your head. Watch your head. Keep sitting.
You're at the car. Put your right leg in. Yep. Just like you're sitting in the car. Watch your head. Take a seat.
There you go. Put your.
All right. There we go.
Following medical clearance that revealed no injuries, she was released for transfer to jail. The suspect was charged with battery domestic violence and resisting an officer without violence. In court, the suspect pleaded not guilty to the charges of battery and resisting an officer without violence. Later, the suspect took a plea agreement amending her charges to 2 counts of breach of peace or disorderly conduct. The court ordered the suspect to pay $381 in fines and attend 4 hours of anger management classes. While this woman was at least not trying to deal a fatal blow to her husband, the next suspect was truly tried to finish both the relationship and the life of her husband.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
The third story is centered around a woman who tried to kill her husband during their divorce process. On July 8th, 2022, in Florida, the police promptly attended to a report involving a solitary vehicular mishap. Observers relayed that the driver had hastily vacated the crash site. The following are details of the unfolding events.
Front of the vehicle. Driving?
Yes.
All right, give me your keys. Come in front of the vehicle. Tell me what's going on. Okay, how is it your husband's fault?
Yeah. He works right here. Ask him.
Okay, where's your car at?
Right there. Side over there. It's stuck underneath the tree.
Stay with her.
What? You're wearing the seatbelt? Hold on.
What happened?
That's my husband works right there.
How did that happen? Can you talk to us?
The car?
Did you try to hurt yourself and drive into the tree on purpose?
No.
She's over there if you want to go over there.
So y'all did get. Okay.
Yeah.
I just took a quick picture of her.
Did you see her behind the wheel?
She got in the car and tried to back up multiple times, and then was asking me, this gentleman, to help push her car, and we're like, man, you're stuck. You gotta get a tow truck.
Okay.
So we didn't help her, but we made sure that she was okay. She seemed a little impaired, but
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have a license plate on your car?
Yes, of course I do.
They said there wasn't one on there. You have it in your purse. Why do you have it? Alright. So you weren't trying to hurt yourself, nothing like that?
No, not at all. He did this to me. He did this to me.
How did he do that though? He wasn't in the car with you.
He was not in the car with me. He was right in front of me.
Did you try to like aim at him or something and hit the tree? Or I'm just trying to figure out how in a desolate parking lot you hit a palm tree. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Can you answer that?
Come with him.
Are you hurt anywhere?
Upon arrival, officers located the woman traversing through an unoccupied parking area. She asserted that her husband was responsible for the incident. A witness said they asked for help, but he told them that their car would be towed because it was stuck. He further said the woman seemed impaired. The woman claimed it was not intentional and blamed it on her husband, but her husband later revealed the true story behind this incident.
We're married, but get divorced.
So where were you at?
We were right here. So first I'm coming in this way and I see her and she like turns to me and like, dead stops me, and then I gotta go around her. And then she followed me back right here, and we're sitting right here arguing, and she's like telling me, I don't know, I need to get the lawyer, this and that, some stupid shit. And I'm like, just get your lawyer, that's it. We don't need to talk, you don't need to see me, blah, blah, blah. And I try to take off, and she floors it at me, and I get right here, and I just kind of act like I was gonna turn this way, and then I turned hard this way, and she was going way too fast, and just, bam! I can't do this anymore. It's been months of me like hiding my car inside the shop.
They said the witness came up to the rescue and told him that she aimed to try to hit her boyfriend, and he moved, and that's how she hit the tree.
The spouse approached officers while investigating the collision and revealed that they were divorcing. The woman had tried to hit him. He successfully evaded the blow and detailed how the woman collided with a palm tree, rendering her vehicle inoperable. This is what happens when you attack your husband in hatred, the worst end of the toxic relationship.
Sign everything she needs to get ready. Alright, ma'am. Bring your back to me. Interlock your fingers just like you're praying.
That's what it is. Alright.
It wasn't me, there was something else where they, the marksman, her sister signed that, and I should have signed it too, but...
For a substance, what kind of substance is she using?
Fentanyl, I think, mixed with coke and whatever else. It's been a big problem for a long time.
Alright, listen to me, okay?
I just want a divorce.
Okay, I got some questions for you, okay? We'll get to the issue with your husband, okay? Alright, but I gotta read you this first. You ever been read your Miranda rights?
For what?
Okay, I'll explain it to you, but I'm just gonna read it to you, okay?
The woman was placed under arrest after collecting enough eyewitness statements. The husband also revealed she had been using contraband for a long time, and it was a real problem for her. When he was placing her in the police vehicle while reading her Miranda rights, she said she just wanted a divorce.
Did you used to use any substances, illegal substances?
Used to, yes.
What you used to use?
I used to use a lot of alcohol and cocaine.
When was the last time you used that?
It's been a long time.
Long time? Okay. So that's the reason why you took the tag off and you left the vehicles, because you were afraid you were going to get marksman acted?
No. I took the tag off because I didn't know what else to do. I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
I don't want to go back there.
Alright, did you understand that when you crash into something and you get in an accident, you're supposed to report that? Okay, do you understand that leaving the scene is a no-no?
I wasn't leaving the scene. I own a business here.
Okay. Alright, well just sit tight, alright?
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Ah!
During interrogation, she accepted that she had been using illegal substances and explained her side of the story. During the transportation to jail, she threw a tantrum and started crying, and when she later submitted the breathalyzer, it yielded a result of 0.239 and 0.230. She was charged with aggravated assault and DUI with damage to property or person. While the previous individual at least did not try to start a fight with the cops, our next individual threw a tantrum and resisted all the way to the back seat of a police cruiser.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why am I under arrest?
You are under arrest for domestic violence.
The last incident involves Leslie Billman. On December 1st, 2022, the police responded to a disturbing call about a girlfriend beating up her boyfriend. The man claimed he was struggling to stay conscious. The man reported that Billman had allegedly struck him in the head with the glass cup, causing him to bleed profusely.
How's it going? Can you come here, please?
Nope, you're not allowed in.
Go in. I need you to come here.
Nope, you're not allowed in.
What's your name? Ma'am, come here. Come here. Hey, stop!
I'm right here.
Okay, so stop. Come here. Talk to me. What's going on? What is going on?
The dog.
Stop.
Don't hold me up. I'm trying to show you.
Okay.
The fucking dog has bit me. I'm trying to.
Stop yelling. Stop yelling. You're right here.
Stop. Let go of me. You know. Let me show you.
the glass.
No. Let me show you my body.
Okay.
Right here. Hold on. I mean, you know what I meant. Like, not.
When the police arrived at their residence, it was reported that the suspect tried to escape through the back door, clutching a bag of supplies, possibly attempting to evade the consequences of her actions. Upon contacting the suspect, she refused to talk to the police, ignoring the cops' commands. The cops investigated the incident in the coming scenes.
Just stop.
No, ask my son. He witnessed.
Okay. Tell me what's going on.
He's witnessed the shit. He's witnessed the dog. He's witnessed this. He's witnessed.
Okay, that's the dog. What happened earlier?
He was on.
Stay over here.
He called me.
He'll do it. Just tell him, come on.
No. Tell him what happened.
I'm talking to you. What happened?
We were sitting down, gonna watch a movie. Oh, no.
You're talking to me.
Okay, let me show you something.
No, you're talking to me. Stay over here.
I'll show you what I hit him
You're
with.
gonna stay over here first.
No, it's right there. It's a towel.
That's great. Stay over here.
Okay. There's a towel. Don't grab me like that.
Okay. If you're gonna keep acting like this, you're gonna go in cuffs and sit on the couch.
He just said, well, let's just go sit on the couch, actually.
When the police held her arm, she started screaming at them and claimed that they had hurt her. Leslie also claimed that her son witnessed the incident. The suspect stated that they were just watching the movie, and she hit him with a towel and explained what happened.
So there's a wet towel right there, because I was cleaning up the Kool-Aid drinks with water that are right there.
Okay.
He asked how to get the stains out, and he's all, really, babe, is there lemon juice? And I was like, yeah, lemon juice works.
Okay.
So they're right there. Can I just show you, please?
No, we're gonna stay right here.
Okay. Will you just go right there and look?
No. Why would he call us here?
Because he said, F you should I say the word?
Yeah.
F you ass fuck. And I was like, really? Really? And then, but I really didn't mean to hit him.
She started freaking out. She's on medication. She gets high and low, and she attacked me hard this time.
Leslie stated her side of the story, saying he abused her while cleaning the stain with a towel. The officer warned her to follow the commands because her stories were inconsistent. The boyfriend said she was on medication and also used contraband alone, due to which she attacked him.
Does she live here with you?
No, it's my house.
She doesn't
live in an apartment.
Gotcha. She's just here for the evening.
No, she stays here a lot.
She stays some.
Either stick him in a room or throw him outside.
No, he's a good boy.
Okay.
Then you need to stop talking to the dog and you need to keep talking to Officer K.
Okay.
Okay, you're under arrest.
So I have this finger.
Put your hands on your back.
In my.
Put your hands on your back.
Why am I under arrest? I'm trying to
you
show
are under arrest for domestic violence.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
We don't have your wrists.
Oh yeah, you do. My list. Then let me leave. Oh, I'm suing you. I'm suing you all.
No,
What?
you were told that you're under arrest.
Bullshit. He hit me first,
and
he needs to admit that.
And
could you go please ask him? Did he throw me down in the kitchen?
so this is part of my questioning.
Okay. Yeah.
He also told the police that she sometimes lives in his house. Later, the police arrested her for domestic violence due to her attitude of not cooperating. On her way out of the residence, she screamed out her lungs, and when she was placed in a squad car, she started to tell her problems to escape the arrest. The cop read her Miranda rights. She told the police about another incident and blamed everything on her boyfriend. She claimed that he abused her.
Hey, baby, come hug me. And I was like, Max, come on. We were yelling at Max to go away. Then I sat on the chair and he started going with his mouth again. And I was like, whatever. And he's like, whatever. So he flopped the other towel on me. So I flopped the towel on him, did the plastic cup, and then I threw my cup. But I don't ever have aim. And I aim.
Okay, so you threw the cup.
I never have aim. I f***ing threw, and I never have aim, though. I never have aim.
Okay, so you threw the cup and it hit him in the
I'm fine.
head. A few more questions for you, man. Do you mind?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So, she was saying you guys were sitting down, talking, drinking, and then something happened before she threw the cup at you.
She what?
And something happened before she threw the cup at you.
Said that I want her to move out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
never touched her at all.
You never touched her? Okay.
Look at her. There's no mark. I
Right.
haven't touched her. I was sitting in that chair and seen her come around that corner and looked up, and she blindsided me with that glass after I told her I wanted her to move out.
During the investigation, Leslie confessed that she hit him with a glass cup, but she was not supposed to have a good aim, and it was all because he started the fight first. She also complained about getting dog bites. Later, when the officer confirmed the story with the boyfriend, he said she hit him after he asked her to move out. She was transported to the jail. Billman was charged with felony battery, inflicting traumatic injury, and resisting arrest. Her bond was set at $10,000. If you enjoyed this true crime video, subscribe to watch more.